The opposition ZAPU party has urged President Emmerson Mnangagwa to focus on improving social services rather than grabbing power through a reported 2-year extension of his term to 2030. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. It was reported that President Mnangagwa had done away with plans to extend the presidential term limit due to legal repercussions and constitutional limitations, instead opting to seek an extension of his current term in office. To secure this vision, reports claim the president may offer up members of parliament and senators extensions of their 5-year terms in exchange for supporting a constitutional amendment to postpone general elections due in 2028 by at least 2 years. In response to such plans, ZAPU said any planned constitutional changes must be effected to improve people's right and quality of life instead of entrenching one's hold in power. This is today's news about ZAPU telling Mnangagwa that he should concentrate on social services and not term extension. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.